Good morning everyone and welcome to another vlog. So today is Sunday, it's Easter today I think. So today I'm going to be filming what I eat in the whole day and also what I drink. So every single morning I always start my day with a coffee and I literally just put in a teaspoon and a half of instant coffee. I use this one or any other one that I have in my cupboard. I don't have any sugar in my coffee and I also use some milk, like just enough milk to make it this colour. I use whole milk, the blue top one. So that's what I'm having. And then every morning as well I have a glass of water while I'm in the kitchen making my coffee, and then I also have a glass of water after I've drank my coffee. So I'll just top up this glass after I've had this one, and then I'll go and sit with the kids when they're having their breakfast or do some editing and have another glass of water as well. So that is 2 glasses of water and 1 coffee in the morning. So that is 2 glasses out of the way for the day. Yesterday I had a really bad day of eating. I had waffles for breakfast with Nutella, Biscoff spread, square cream and maple syrup, and that was a very naughty breakfast because I never ever normally have that kind of thing. Only when I really feel like it, which yesterday I did. And then in the early evening we actually had a little barbecue where I had a burger and a bun and some mushrooms, and I also had a kebab as well, which is not too much. That would have been like fine if I didn't have the other things that I had. And then in the evening, which is very naughty, I actually bought some of those big cookies. Let me show you. I actually bought these cookies yesterday when I went food shopping, and they're like Belgian chocolate big fat cookies, and I put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds and then put ice cream on it, and I ate that, which is not good because I'm trying to eat healthy and I ate that. But you know, sometimes you have these late night cravings, but yesterday just seemed to be like I just wanted to have sweet stuff all day, so I had that. So yesterday was a really bad day. So when I have a really bad day, the next few days always tend to be a little bit more healthy and I just want to eat good food. So that is what it's going to be like today. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go and have this water, fill this up, and then I'm going to go sit down with the kids, have my coffee and drink this water.
I'm just going to imagine this.
Literally 20 minutes later and I'm having another glass of water. I've had my coffee and I'm really thirsty this morning, I don't know why, so I'm going to have another glass of water. We are just sitting in here and we are going to do some
Painting cards for Daddy.
Yeah, why are we doing Daddy's card?
Because is this the Daddy's birthday today?
Not today, it's tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so Elisa's making a card for her dad's birthday and it's going to be a balloon card. Going to do these fingerprints on the card and then we're going to make it look like balloons. So Elisa's just mixing up her colours that she wants to use. Well, it looks perfect. This is how Elisa's painting is looking. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it perfect?
Yeah.
Okay, should we wait for this one to dry and do another one? Isa has joined us now. Oh.
Mommy, what do you think?
Whoa. It is now 10 something and I am about to have an apple because I'm feeling a little bit peckish. The kids are having half of an Easter egg each because I bought some yesterday. They were buy one get one free in Morrison's because it was the day before Easter. So they're just having that while I have this. This mess has just happened because I've just made some cakes with this recipe. Basically made this cake recipe and I didn't have any tins. I used half of the recipe as usual. I was going to do it in here, but I decided to do them as cupcakes instead. I don't think you can see, but here's the batter. Still got some left. I could actually do the rectangle pan with this, the loaf pan, but no, might just make extra cupcakes. we'll see. The reason I'm telling you this is because I did lick some of the batter when it fell on the side of the cupcake tray when I was putting the batter in the cupcake cases. I'm cleaning the kitchen and Elisa had a few bites of this pear, so I'm gonna finish it off because she doesn't want any more. Yeah, my worktops are gross. We are about to taste this cake. Look how squishy and soft it looks. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. Also made this as well. So we've got 12 cupcakes and we also have a little loaf cake. So I'm going to break this up. Let's show you how it breaks. Look how soft that is.
That's the cake.
Oh my god. Yeah, taste the cake. What do you think? Excuse me. Take it out of my hand, please. Hey, look at me. What do you think of it?
No!
I literally just had a quarter. I'm not going to have any more. But it is so good. I will leave the recipe for this down below. I used half of the recipe and 2 small eggs instead of 1 large one. But they're so soft and delicious. Oh my god, they just melt in your mouth. It is now 12 o'clock. Having another glass of water. I've been playing in the garden for a little while, and then I was also doing some cleaning in here, trying to get this place sorted because it's just a mess. But I don't really feel that hungry, so I think I'm going to do a workout and then I'm going to eat. So that's what I'm going to do. I feel like when I drink loads of water, I feel like I don't feel too hungry too fast, if you know what I mean. So it kind of fills me up. The water kind of fills up the hunger. But yeah, another glass of water. So one thing that I like to do is have all of my fruit in the morning. So I'll have like 2 or 3, depending on how much I'll have. Like if Elisa hadn't had that pear, I wouldn't have had that. I kind of like to have 2 or 3 fruits in the morning, and then in the evening I'll top it off with what I didn't have in the morning, if you know what I mean. So I'll have like the rest veggies, or have like 2 fruits in the morning and then 3 types of veggies in the evening. But it depends on the day. Sometimes I don't even eat my 5 a day. It just depends on the day. Every day is completely different for me. I never ever really plan what I'm gonna have. Sometimes I plan dinner and things like that, but I never actually plan like breakfast and like what I'm gonna be eating throughout the day. That's what I try to do, is just have fruits in the morning and then veggies in the evening. I've heard that it's good for you. I don't know why, but I heard it is, so I do it. I'm going to be doing this total body weights workout, and it looks quite easy, so I might do this one and an abs one as well. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just making my breakfast / lunch. I'm having 4 tablespoons of Greek style yogurt, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, which I just put into here, and then I mix it up really well. Let me show you. And then I add some honey, as much, as little as you like. I like it quite sweet, so I'm going to add that much, probably about a tablespoon, and then mix that up into there. And then I'm going to add some of this granola, so I'm going to add a handful of that, and then another small handful. So that is my granola in there. And then I'm also going to add some berries. So I've got raspberries and strawberries here. And then I'm just going to top it off like that. And that is my breakfast / lunch. With this, I just like to mix it all up and eat it like that, because I don't like to eat it bit by bit. I just like to mix it all up and eat it as like a dessert. I also really want a coffee, so I'm going to make myself an iced dalgona coffee. Is that what it's called? Basically the frothy coffee, but it's so good, so I'm going to have one of those. But I'm going to only fill my milk up to about here, and then have the rest water and ice, and then put the coffee in. So that's what I'm going to do. This tastes so good, oh my god. So now I'm gonna go out in the garden and eat this and drink this. I have finished having my breakfast and this is how much is left. I don't really want to eat anymore because I'm stuffed. I only eat until I'm not hungry anymore, so I'm not going to finish this off. I'll probably just eat the fruit and that's it. I've just finished my breakfast and everything, and now I've come upstairs because I'm going to have a shower and then I'm going to be editing and also filming a video for you guys. It's all about weight loss. So that will be up after this video, so if you want to watch that, carry on watching my channel. Subscribe to my channel because I checked the other day. Oh, let's get some light in here. I checked the other day and it says that like 59% or something of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you aren't subscribed to my channel, then press the subscribe button. It's going to be here. So it's a little bit later now and I have decided to cook a keema and vegetable curry. So I'm going to start by slicing one large onion and frying it in 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then I'm going to get 2 tomatoes and a chilli and put some water in there. I used about 200 ml of water, and then I'm going to blend it up until it's smooth and just a liquid. So you need to keep checking on your onions, but while you're doing that, measure out your spices. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm just filling up my salt here because I was running out. And then half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and then 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. All of the ingredients and how to make the curry are all down below. So if you want to make this curry yourself, then you can just follow that. So at this point the onion should be really nice and brown, and now you want to add your keema and your spices. So you want to do that now, and then you can break all of those down, mix them all together really nicely. Once the keema is brown, you want to add some peppers. You can add any vegetables you want. You can add some courgettes, you can add aubergine, you can add anything. I'm adding peppers, peas and spinach to this. But for now it's just the peppers so that they can defrost and get really nice and soft. Once the peppers have defrosted, I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato puree and then our tomato and chili mixture that we blended before. And then I'm going to taste it. It needed a little bit of salt, so I added some salt. And then I added some peas. I don't know how many I added, I just did it by sight. So I added the peas and then I mixed it all up. And then I also added some frozen spinach and mixed that all together. And then I added some water, mixed it all up and then covered it and let it cook. While that was simmering away, I decided to make my salad. So I'm going to have some cucumber and I'm going to have some carrot, and I'm going to use my mandolin to make them into these strings. I love having my salad this way because it just makes it more interesting to eat. I will link this mandolin in the description if you want to buy it. I love it so much. I use it almost every day. And then I mix some lemon and pink salt into that, and then I put it on my plate ready for later. And then I also decided to heat up this curry, which is just meat and potato, which we had the other day. And then I decided to have some basmati microwave rice with it, so I was just breaking that up, ready to go in the microwave. And then I have been growing coriander in my garden, so I went to pick some of that. And then Banjo was there to say hello, so there's Banjo. And then of course I washed my coriander, and then I always use scissors to cut my coriander up to put it into my curry. I don't know why, I just find it the easiest way. And then my food is all done. It is all cooked and beautiful, and this is what my plate looks like, and it was so delicious. That was my dinner. It was so yummy, so delicious. I love having so many vegetables in a curry because it just makes you feel good when you eat vegetables. I don't know about you, but it does for me. Anyway, I thought I would come and tell you that that is going to be the end of the video because it is now 7 o'clock. The kids are still playing downstairs. They're going to come upstairs in a bit and then go to bed. But I'm going to do some editing, and then once the kids are asleep, I'm going to go downstairs, make myself a nice cup of tea, and then watch Netflix and have a glass of water probably. But I just thought I would tell you that because I probably won't carry on talking through this video, because at a certain point in the evening I'm just like, I can't be bothered anymore. So I'll probably fill my tea and have my glass of water, and that's it. I'm not going to have any snacks tonight because on the days like this where I'm trying to eat completely snack free and good, I won't have any snacks in the evening. Whereas sometimes I will have, like last night I had that cookie, the cookie dough and ice cream. And then sometimes I will have like, oh, I might have a froyo lolly. I will show you if I do. I'll insert a clip at the end of everything that I'm going to have in the evening. But yeah, that's basically what I eat in a day. Let me know if you want to see more of these. Every single day is different, so I don't know what I'll be eating. Let me know if you want to see some more. But yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!